And we are back after a long hiatus. We have the Cherokee 140 ready to go with its new panel upgrade. Big thank you to our sponsors, Avidyne, Kovachik Aircraft Services, and Macizzle Aero for making this all possible. We are so excited to show you the finished product. But first, let's show you what we started with.
To better help bring the 1964 panel back into the new age here, we're going to restyle the flight instruments here to actually be in the proper six-pack attitude indicator. Still trying to decide on what we should do with our CDIs. I think we're still going to keep one on the side here, number 1 as our primary, and we'll keep number 2 off to the side. We'll most likely move all our circuit breakers down to a panel to the side, and also have an avionic switch to power up our center stack here with all our new radios and GPSs. One of the big things that we're going to be doing is replacing all the old fuses here to resettable circuit breakers. So we're making a list here of all the circuit breakers we need to get, and then also with our new install of how many more we still need to add in.
Cool. Well, this is gonna be cool. And then the circuit breakers are gonna be on the right side with the TAC, the CDI.
So I think we'll just leave this blank. I mean, I don't really know else what to put here.
What if we got our names engraved?
Owned by.
So here it is, our brand new panel. We've been so excited about it, and obviously you can see why. We have the IFD 550, the 440, and the AMX 240 up top. This makes a world of difference. I can say we've been flying it for a week now, and everything is so seamless, intuitive. Just cannot say enough good things about this product. We also installed the SkyTrax as well as the remote transponder for ease of use. It's excellent. And we also installed 2 CDIs on each side. So we're really excited to go on a longer flight, and we can't wait to leave this Sunday for Oshkosh.